I am going on another adventure. Ella.
Yes.
You ready?
Yes. I wasn't expecting that.
Chocolate milk. So before we do go, something really cool happened, and we found out that there was this cat that had been abandoned. So we basically we're taking him, and he's here he is. Hello. Hello. There's two of them. Hello. Hello. We're gonna go and get you some food. Righty ho, so we are off to Kota Tinggi Waterfalls, aren't we?
Yeah.
This is it's basically, as if you're a regular viewer of this channel, you'll know that Ella doesn't speak much. So I've said to her she needs to speak a bit more to make things a little bit more exciting. So she's going to speak. Right, so we've been to some waterfalls before. We went to the Pulai Waterfalls, which were a few videos back. Go check that out, link in the description. And today we're going off to the Kota Tinggi Waterfalls, which are about an hour away from where we live. And then we do need to go back and get some cat food for our new cat. Right, let's go. So on the way to, look at this, on the way to the waterfall, we've seen this rainforest resort, so we thought it'd be a nice place to maybe stop and have a little look, and it looks kind of abandoned, to be honest.
I don't think it's open.
I think maybe we should go. So we've turned the other way because there was a dodgy looking fellow at the gate, so I think maybe we'll just carry on to the waterfall. Although it does look really, really nice here. We're like right in the middle of the jungle as well, so it's kind of like, it makes us forget, doing these trips kind of makes us forget that you're away from the city, and it kind of makes you feel more like you're in Malaysia, which is really nice. So Kota Tinggi, the waterfall is, it says it's an hour and 30 minutes away from where we live.
Swimming pool.
It's sort of on the way up to, yeah, there's swimming pool there. It's sort of on the way up towards Mersing that you turn off. So Mersing is where we get the ferry from to go to Tioman. But we are going to stop here for a little bit and have a little look at the river and stuff. A sec. Right, so I was in the middle of flying and I absolutely hammered it down, like it came from nowhere. So I'm glad I got it in on time. No drone shots today, I'm assuming. Are you ready? Let's go. No. Pass it here. Right, okay. So we are now at the Kota Tinggi Waterfalls. Thank God the GoPro is waterproof. It took an hour and a half to get here, so a little bit of rain ain't going to stop me. So I've got to get Ella out the car. She's hiding in the car. Come on, let's go.
I feel like this is really stupid.
So, Subscribe! Subscribe! So guys, I went to the Kota Tinggi Waterfalls. People just seem to love seeing a camera out here. Here we are. Now the last waterfalls we went to is the Pulai Waterfalls, which was like a full-on 2-hour trek to get there. This one is just park up at the bottom, so if you want to see a waterfall without the trek, this is the one to come to, because we are now here. Now, judging from the amount of locals that are here, this is obviously a popular thing to come and do at the weekend. There's loads and loads of locals, no matter, even with the rain and the bad weather, there's still loads of people here. And obviously it's a nice place to come down here. They swim in the water, right down here. They're playing in the stream, they're playing on the slides. And it seems like it's a popular thing to do as a family at the weekend, which seems a nice thing to do. We're doing it. Do you want to go for a swim?
Cold.
It will be cold.
Also, I'm not getting...
Plus, we don't have any swimming costumes with us. We didn't think that far ahead. But yeah, really worth the day out, guys. Like I said, it's an hour and 15 minutes drive from Nusajaya side of JB, which is where we are, in the Galangpataya area. So, obviously, it would be closer if you're living on the other side of JB. But, yeah, this is it. Worth the trip, I would say. Would you reckon? Worth it? It's awesome. So that was Kota Tinggi Waterfalls. For foreigners, non-Malays, it's 33 ringgit, and it's, I suppose if you're coming for the whole day and you want to swim around and spend a bit of time here, have a barbecue, have a bit of food, it's worth the money. But I think for just visiting, it is a little bit run down for 33 ringgit. They do have a resort and clubhouse, but I don't know if that's actually included in the price. There is a little restaurant here you can grab food and a drink. It just looks like sort of the pot noodle sort of style things though. I think it's definitely worth visiting if you don't mind spending 33 ringgit to come and sort of see a cool waterfall. And if you've got the time to drive up here, it's not a hike, it's not a long walk. It's sort of on the northeast side of JB. I think it's a nice day out. I think the rain sort of ruined it a little bit.
But this is probably the nicest bit.
This is probably the nicest bit. Like there's sort of a bit of water here. Yeah. There's a little slide here. You can imagine that people slide down this. It was quite sad that it is raining because I really wanted to get some footage from the top. But these things happen. And we've been and had a look at it. We've always said we wanted to come and have a look, and yeah, should we go and get some food for our cat now?
Yes!
Our new cat. Yeah. Let's go get the food for the cat. Right, the last thing we need to do today is go and get a bowl for the cat food for our new pet. Found a plastic one, but here we are, won't they? Don't use plastic. Right guys, thanks very much for watching the vlog. I hope you stayed all the way to the end and enjoyed this one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you press that subscribe button really quick. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you next time.